So I recently got sent out these rectangular lampshades, and today we're going to be installing them on these two lamps here. We're also going to do a really quick unboxing so I could show you exactly how to set this up. So let's go ahead and change up that camera angle to give you guys a closer look. So immediately in the box we get our instructions, but you guys shouldn't need those if you guys watch this video because I'll show you exactly how to do it. All right, so here is the lampshade. We have a really nice thick material here. Has a nice texture to it, and it looks like a pretty simple design. So I'll show you how this works in just a moment, but let's go ahead and keep going through the box. So here's going to be our mounting hardware, and that type of mounting system will go in this style. So everything else in the box is just gonna be an exact copy. It's just another lampshade and all of the mounting hardware. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this all unwrapped, and then we're gonna start putting this together. All right, so we do get two different types of mounts here, but since my lamps already have the mount, we don't even have to attach them. And that's most likely gonna be your case as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So we need to get the lampshades in shape. So we have all these metal pieces inside of here. We're gonna find which one's on the bottom, and we're just gonna pop it into place. So this will help stretch out the fabric to get it nice and taut. And now, all the wrinkles are gone immediately because it is so tight. So that looks really nice, and it was really easy to set up. I was a little worried it was gonna be more difficult, but super simple. All right, so next up, we're gonna bend this bracket and get it into this little plate, and it should look something like this. Now we can pull these metal pieces down, and now we're all set up. From here, we're just gonna undo the top nut. We're gonna drop the actual lampshade on and screw this back together. And that's basically it for the install. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other lamp, and then I'll show you guys what they're gonna look like with the light on. So here is what the lampshades are gonna look like all lit up. And I think that these lampshades have a really nice fabric on the outside, but it still lets all of the light through. And also it gets reflected down because of this white fabric on the inside. So overall, really happy with the size of the lampshades as well. They really make the lamps themselves look bigger and a little bit more grand. And it was really cool that we get all this different mounting hardware for different lamps. So overall, if you guys are looking for some lampshade covers, these are really nice, and they're also easy to put together. And that's it for my really quick review.